Hi friends, I am Sai Chaitanya. Welcome back to my channel Sai Taker. In this video, I'll be comparing the Poco X3 versus Mi 10i in terms of the LED notification light. So both phones, I did so many comparisons. For example, display, camera, loudspeaker, gaming as well, 120 FPS gaming. So many comparisons I did, and right now I decided to do LED notification light brightness comparison between the both of these devices. So let's see friends whether which phone is better in terms of the viewing angles of LED notification light. The Redmi phones they are having some kind of problem with the viewing angles of the LED notification light and their placement inside the speaker grill. So I'll try to compare what are the advantage and disadvantage, which phone is better and bright as well. So make sure to subscribe and stay tuned friends for this kind of interesting comparison videos which I'll be doing in my channel, and you cannot find anywhere else. You will be just finding this kind of interesting and different comparisons only in my channel. So make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly for this kind of unique comparison videos in my channel friends. And let's get started. Even for this live wallpapers, there is a link available in the description below for the live wallpaper playlist. You can find the playlist link, and which will be very helpful to download this kind of wallpapers. So let's get started friends. First thing is that both phones, they are having the LED notification light, and let me quickly connect the charging cable to both the smartphones so you can actually see which phone is having the brighter LED notification light. So let me connect the Poco X3, and let me even bring the charger to connect the Mi 10i. So this is the Mi 10i, and as you can see friends, right now I did connect both the LED notification light, and if you notice right now, you won't be able to see much of the LED notification light because of the studio lighting environment going on. But if you observe, let me try to quickly close the screen so maybe you might be able to focus on the LED notification light. If you observe in this angle, you will be able to see the Mi 10i's LED notification light little bit, but not much. It's little bit visible friends. It's very light visible. The Poco X3's LED notification light is not that visible. So let me quickly turn off the studio lighting effect or decrease the studio lighting effect. Maybe you might be able to focus. So let me try to focus on the screen. As you can see friends, right now in this angle you won't be able to see any notification light, and when I try to tilt upside slowly, in the Mi 10i's the LED notification light is slightly brighter, and in the Poco X3 it's not that brighter. As you can see friends, only in one direction the Poco X3 is brighter friends, not in all the directions if you notice. So only in this angle, exactly this angle only, the Poco X3's LED notification light visible. So this is a Mi 10i smartphone. So the Mi 10i also, the LED notification light is located inside the speaker grill friends. So if you watch in this angle, you won't be able to see. So let's see which phone you will be able to see the first notification. I can see in the Mi 10i the first notification, and in this angle both phones are visible. So the LED notification light placement in the Mi 10i is slightly better. That is slightly better friends, but not much. So having the disadvantage in the speaker grill, so which is seriously not at all visible from the different angle if you notice. So let me try to quickly zoom in. As you can see friends, inside between the small holes of the speaker grill, the LED notification light is present. There's no point in keeping the LED notification light inside the speaker grill, so this is very disappointing here. So when you compare with the Poco X3, the Mi 10i got little bit better LED notification light placement, but not as better. So even the Poco X3 also, the LED notification light is present here, but this LED notification light feels a little bit brighter. So definitely thanks for adding the LED notification light friends for the Redmi and the Mi, because the Realme phones, they don't even have the LED notification light at all. So that's a good to know that you will be having notification light. And for more interesting videos, make sure to subscribe and follow me regularly friends. And thank you for watching. See you in the next video friends. Until then, bye.